Hi everyone, what's up? It's Joshua here from Alternative Brewing, and today I'm brewing cold drip coffee with the PUCKPUCK Cold Brew Adapter to the AeroPress. This is the attachment that transforms the AeroPress coffee maker into a cold drip coffee tower, whereby you can attach a water vessel above the AeroPress, set the drip rate to your coffee, and you can come back after a few hours to a smooth and bitterless cold brew coffee awaiting. Now the PUCKPUCK water vessel and adapter are available in a bundle, which we'll be using today, or you can purchase just the adapter and you can screw on either an Evian or Volven brand 500ml water bottle to make the adapter and water vessel that way. It's really easy to use, so let's get brewing using the PUCKPUCK Cold Brew Adapter. First, I'm going to weigh out 50 grams of beans, and I'm going to grind them to a medium coarseness. So just a little coarser than what you would normally use for an AeroPress. And I'm using the Loom hand grinder and a set of 10-mile brewing scales to get the job done. And all you have to do to set up the AeroPress is remove the plunger, as we won't be needing this, and set that aside, and place either a paper filter or a stainless steel filter inside the filter cap and screw that to the base of your AeroPress. Place that over your decanter and place your grinds into the chamber. Attached to the PUCKPUCK adapter is a dispersion screen. You just want to undo that and place it over the top of your grinds. The adapter itself is two circles that screw together, either closer or further apart to control the drip rate, faster or slower. What you want to do is screw the PUCKPUCK water vessel onto the adapter, make sure that the adapter itself is screwed shut, and then fill up the water vessel with 500 ml of cold water. You can also add some ice here too to keep that water cooler for longer. And this will give us a full brew ratio of 1:10. What you want to do is adjust the drip rate whilst holding it over the AeroPress, and we're aiming for around 50 drips a minute, which is about one full turn of the bottom of the PUCKPUCK. Now PUCKPUCK themselves have a great app that you can download on your phone, and this helps setting the drip rate just right. So I'll throw a link in the description below for this video. Once the drip rate is set, you can rest the PUCKPUCK on top of the AeroPress and let it brew away. After all the water has passed through and it is finished dripping, it should take around 2 to 3 hours to complete this. You'll have brewed a good strong cold drip brew that you can keep in the fridge for up to 2 weeks. You can enjoy it over ice, dilute it down with water, or add your favorite milk for a delicious iced latte. I keep some in the fridge all year round, and I find it's a convenient way to get my caffeine fix. Cleaning is as simple as cleaning a regular AeroPress brew, and you just want to unscrew the cap, get rid of any of the coffee grinds, rinsing everything else under water, and then dry it before storing it away. And that's the PUCKPUCK Cold Brew Adapter for AeroPress and the AeroPress Go. Much like the AeroPress itself, the PUCKPUCK is a convenient and super easy way to make great tasting coffee, cold drip coffee in this case. It's portable and simple to clean. If you have any questions on the PUCKPUCK, add them in the comments below, we'll get straight back to you. Don't forget to hit that little bell icon on your screen so you can keep notified when we bring out videos just like this one every week. If you've enjoyed the video, hit like, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.